The coordinates of the points A and B are that the equation of the circle for which AB is a diameter. So if I draw a circle, AB is the diameter. A is minus 1 comma 2 and B is 7 comma 4. Whenever AB is the diameter, center lies on it. And what can you say about the center? Center will be the midpoint of these two. Accepted? So get the center first. To get the center, midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So which is nothing but 6 by 2 is 3, 6 by 2 is 3. Minus, oh I missed minus 2 here. So it's minus 2 plus 4 will be plus 2 by 2 is 1. Minus 1 minus 2, 7, 4, 7 minus 1, 6 by 2, 4 minus, yeah, right? Next, this length will be the radius, correct? So get the radius also. So radius equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. So 7 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 4 minus 1 whole square. 7 minus 3 is 4, 4 square is 16 plus 3 square is 9, so that is 5. I have center and radius. So equation of circle is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to r square, which is 5 square. If I simplify, I get x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 9 plus 1 is 10, 25 comes this side, minus 15 equal to 0. Clear? We found equation of circle, so A1 is done. Next, find equation of the tangent T to the circle C at the point B. So if here is B, this tangent equation I need to find out. Let me take here is B. Now again I have the point B, which is 7 comma 4. To get this tangent equation I need point which I have, more I need the slope. To get the slope I know this. Radius will be perpendicular to the tangent. So here center is 3 comma 1. When I have these 2 points I can get the slope. Once I have this line slope, I will use perpendicular condition to get the slope of this line. Let's start. So slope of this line is y2 minus y1. So 4 minus 1 by x2 minus x1. 7 minus 3. So 3 by 4. These two lines are perpendicular, so m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. That will give me m2 equal to minus 4 by 3. I have slope point. Equation is y minus 4 equal to minus 4 by 3 of x minus 7. Fraction 3 goes this side. 3y minus 12 equal to minus 4x plus 28. So bring this to this side, I get 4x plus 3y plus 28 comes this side, minus 28 minus 12 is minus 40 equal to 0. This is equation of the tangent at point B. Clear? Next one. Find equation of the circle which is reflection of the circle C in the line T. Means this is the circle equation which we have C. I need to find another circle equation which is reflection of this on the line T. T is nothing but this tangent drawn at B. This reflection on this line will be another circle, right? This circle equation is what I need to find out. Center of this circle is 3, 1 and coordinates of B are 7, 4. See man, it's only the reflection, as in you see in the mirror your reflection. Size will not change. That means this size of this circle and this circle are same. Size is same means radius is same. Radius of this circle is 5, so even the radius of this circle is also 5. I need to know only the center of this circle. So whenever it's reflection, if you are this much far from the mirror, your reflection will also be at the same distance. What can you say? This will be acting as a midpoint between yourself and the image. So when this is the mirror, this will be the midpoint of this one and this one. This one I don't know, so let it be A, B. Midpoint of these two will be the mirror, that is the tangent line. So now get it. It will be 3 plus A by 2, 1 plus B by 2 equal to B, which is 7, 4. So equate this to 7 to get A, equate this to B to get, equate this to 4 to get B. So 3 plus A by 2 equal to 7, 1 plus B by 2 equal to 4. This gives me A equal to 14 minus 3, 11. This gives me B equal to 8 minus 1, 7. So center is now 11, 7. I have center radius. So equation of circle is x minus 11 whole square plus y minus 7 whole square equal to 5 square. So if I simplify, x square plus y square minus 22x minus 14y, 121 plus 49, 170 minus 25, 145. This is the equation of this circle. Reflection means that mirror will be the midpoint between you and the image. If you know that one idea, you can do this sum.